Alright, today is redemption day. So this is that table that I thought was garbage. I screwed the pour up so bad. As you saw in the other video, there was big ripples in here and this whole edge was all ripply and I just destroyed it. So with everything that I did not sand that layer just before this where it was all white. No need to do the buffing, no need to do 3000 grit, just pour and all that white and all the scratches completely get eliminated. So as you can see how clean it turned out. And then all up through this RDS symbol, there used to be all these bubble holes everywhere. And once I dug them out, poured it, you can't even tell where they are. And I didn't bother sanding it down, I just rough sanded it out. I even had 80 grit on some of this stuff. Like that one spot right over here. It was so rough and chewed up, can't even tell. Even where I went through when I was sanding the resin down and I accidentally hit my tabletop, you can see a little bit of the difference of the color change in here, but I just did what I could, try to minimize how much you actually sand into your tabletop, and then I just put a little more stain on there to try to tie it in, and you can see it a little bit, but at least this table's somewhat usable, same with there. So multiple pours with your resin. You can get different resins that don't heat up as much with thick pours. So beware what type of resin you're getting. And if you just got regular bar top, you can't put it in thick. It'll heat up, it'll split, it'll bubble, and it's not the way to do it. So redemption day, stoked I fixed this table. And yeah, have fun with your resin. It can be tricky, but just take your time with it and be patient.